Kicking off this month's trips by trekking into a volcano, began with a dusty 4x4 ride through epic Lahar canyons. It typically takes about 1 to 1.5 hours each way. I was so relieved when the morning rain finally cleared up for my very first drone flight. So from here, 2.5 kilometers.
Ilan? Ay, sakto, Jordan.
2.5 lang.
Ay, kung pa to. Ang muna kong shit. Eh, wow.
2.5? Tumatakbo nga tayo ng 10 eh. Go. The chaotic 4x4 ride is just the warm-up. The real magic happens when you hit the trail and start trekking through wide volcanic riverbeds. It's my second time tackling this trek. Kahit pangalawang beses ko na to, walking through these massive canyons still leaves me completely speechless. Nagmarcha. Order po akong lempo pero gusto ko po ito. $50 na lang. Kamusta ang ating iPad kid? Hindi na siya makausap. Ito na, nakita niyo itong hagdan na to, malapit na kayo sa crater. Alam mo naman. Ay, ang ganda oh. Ito mo ba yan ha? Here we are.
Balik na lang, mukha.
Thank you Lord for the clear skies. Makakapag-drone ako. Pag-open niya, nasa isla na siya. We are now trading ash into sand. Medyo nagabukan kasi tayo sa pinatubo so kailangan nating hugasan. Lo. Kinabukasan lang talaga to ng pinatubo. Sagalan agad ako.
Kaya wala na yung tubig. Lawak niya. Malalakad mo yan hanggang dulo.
going to explore the island of Isla Verde. Medyo challenging maglakad. Daming bato. Ayokong mabasa yung pa ako, so I'm just gonna do some rock climbing here. This is actually the first time I got to explore a new place by myself. Ang saya pala. So we reached the end. Ito yung itsura niya. So nice. Consider myself healed. Lo, sino nakit sa'yo?
Oh, it's a big pool. Look, big pool.
Where's Kenday?
I see you. What's that?
Sa camera.
Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Oh, model. Dali, model. Oh, baby. Para marami mapit-pit.
Here.
Nasa model. Oh, tap. Ito 4, 6, tas kami ito sa dulo.
Wow, ganda. Yun na maliligalig nasa baba.
No, don't sit there. Don't sit there. I'll be for you. Huh? I'll get wet.
No, I will picture. May picture. Oh, Mimi! Put your feet down. Put your feet there. Please na ako. You want to go? Halika.
Tinatanggal.
Baby, oh.
Setting up to sila.
Isa tayo. Picture tayo. Oo, sa floor. Sa floor.
Wow! You're so pretty.
Ang ganda ni Kendall. Naka-jogging. Ay, naka-pants. Smile! Smile! Ay, topak yarn.
Look at them.
Kendall.
They're waiting.
Kendall!
There's cake. They will give us.
Kendall! We have pasalubong, Kendall. What can you say, Nay? Sarap.
Delicious.
Plastic.
Yung pa-birthday namin kay Jobel, binayad pa namin siya.
Saan?
Sa pa-rewind ng motor. Birthday kasi Kendall. Kantahan niyo. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, mommy. Let's blow the cake. Blow. Happy birthday.
Ano kantahan mo?
Dot.
Dut.